In Unity there's a way to keep an eye on private variables in the inspector. That way is to serialize them using SerializeField. As an example, we will create a new script and call it private variables, then open it up to edit. We will create two private variables, an integer and a boolean. After that, in the start method we will call those variables in the console with a debug.log. If you save it and go back to Unity, create an empty object and attach the script to it. You'll notice pressing play that those variables will only appear in the console where we called them with the debug. Now go to the script again and add SerializeField on top of each variable, save it and switch to Unity again. You will notice that the variable are already visible in the inspector just like the public ones. Thanks for watching.